Guten Tag, here's die Frau Walker, and in this video, I am going to show you how one builds a separable and inseparable perfect verb. So, separable verbs are those verbs like we would come with me, right? When I said come mit mir oder kommst du mit, this is something we did at the very, very end of German 1, and these verbs are also kind of special when it comes to the perfect. So, let's take a look. All right, so we still have the exact same syntax. We have all the same exact rules, except for at the back end, take a look at the perfect. You can see here where anfangen, which is anrufen, which is the verb to call up, right? So there's the rufen to call and then up. That's that extra preposition on the front of the verb. So what we do is we keep that preposition, we add GE between the preposition and the regular verb there, okay? So you can see there's a GE that got snuck in there between anrufen, angerufen. And once again, you'll be able to see all of this on Leo after you take a look at your notes packet. Okay, so let's take a look. Instead of zu machen, don't forget we always need that helping verb. It is hat, because it's not moving, zu gemacht. So you can see that it threw itself right in there between the zu and the macht. Mitkommen, there it is, just like I was telling you before, ist mitgekommen. Then we have to watch TV, Fernsehen, hat ferngesehen. And then last but not least, like we saw on the last slide, angefangen. Now these are words that can be separated. If they're not separable prefix verb and they're inseparable prefix verbs, and they have those really weird like before prefix things on the front of a verb, like for example be or ge or er or ent, those are not going to get an extra ge on there. We're going to leave the ge off completely. So bekommen means to receive, and you say hat bekommen. There's no extra ge needed. Gefallen would be really silly. Gefallen means to be pleased by something. So like, for example, I could say, dein Handy gefällt mir. I like your cell phone. Gefallen means that I like it or it pleases me. So you can see here, we definitely wouldn't want an extra ge on the front, right? It's just gefallen. Hat gefallen. Then we have to talk about erzählt, hat erzählt. And then entscheiden turns to hat entschieden. Okay? Those are the inseparable prefix verbs. And now you've come to the final lesson here for perfect. Don't freak out if this was a lot of information. You can go up to the crate now and grab your notes packet. Your notes packet has everything you never wanted to know about the perfect tense in German. So it gives you even more information than what I just shared. Okay? You do not have to do the exercises in the packet if you don't want to, but that would be a good aspire to do for some of you who really want to become experts on this. The reason you would want to become an expert on this is how most native speakers speak. So if you're going on that gap trip, perfect is your big next project that you really want to master, okay? But we're all going to master it, right? Here we go. Go get those notes, and I'll see you in the Dict.Leo video after your notes. Auf Wiedersehen!